Hey, hello students. Today we will start our first lesson of geography, that is India, size and location. In last lesson, I didn't get any queries from you, so I hope you might have understood the lesson. Today we are going to start our second lesson of SST and first lesson of geography, that is India, size and location. If you have read this lesson, you might have seen that this lesson is very small. And here we are going to get the exact idea of location of India and size of India. So let's begin. First, let's see the map of India. Here you will see that by 7 8 countries India is surrounded, and some numbers are mentioned here. What are those numbers? That we are going to understand first. So let's begin the lesson. Yes, Uh, from in sixth standard, we have learnt about longitudes and latitudes in details. But still, let's take a short revision of this. As you know very well, for our understanding of time and location, we have divided Earth by imaginary lines, and these imaginary lines are called longitudes and latitudes. Latitudes are horizontal lines Latitudes are horizontal line, whereas vertical lines are called longitudes. The central line, which divides the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, it is called equator. Equator has 0 degree. From it to the north pole, it will take 90 degrees. Same with south pole. So in this way, equator has divided the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Equator receives maximum sunlight, so this area is so much hot. So from 0 degree to 23 degree northward and southward, this area is very hot. That's why it is called torrid zone. From 23 degree to 66 degree to the north and to the south, this is called moderate zone, which is not that much cold and which is not so hot. So it is called moderate zone. Then the upper part of the earth, north pole, and lower part, that is south pole, they are very cold. That's why they are called frigid zones. So in this way, students, you might have seen that how the earth is divided by horizontal imaginary lines. So now let's discuss about the vertical lines. Vertical lines, the, the central line of longitudes, it is called prime meridian, which goes through Greenwich, which is located in England. So there are 360 degrees and every degree consists of 4 minutes. So now in this we will try to understand in which area India comes. So first of all, we have seen that earth is divided into northern part and southern part by equator. Same like that, the earth is also divided into two parts. This is western part and this is eastern part. But this is a prime meridian. You can see this dotted line, black dotted line. From here to the west side, it is called western side, western hemisphere, and here it is this is eastern hemisphere, and to the west it is western hemisphere. India comes in northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. If you say like this, that India is located in northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere, you will not get the exact idea where India is located. You will get diverted. So we should be knowing exact location of India. So we need numbers. So where India is exactly located, that we'll see in our next slide. Yes. So you can see in eastern hemisphere, India is located 68 degree 7 minutes east, to 97 degree 25 minutes east. So you can see eastern to western extension of India is of 29 degree 2 minutes. And let's see about the latitude. North to south, this extension of India is 37 degree 6 minutes north to 8 degree 4 minutes north. You can read it by this way also. Latitudinal extension of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. So in this way, latitudinal length of India is 28 degree 55 minutes. With this, you might have seen this line, which goes exactly from middle of the India. This is called Tropic of Cancer. Yes. So, and this you can see where Tropic of Cancer, that is latitude, and vertical line, that is longitude, they cut through each other. This point is called Standard Time of India, IST, which goes through Mirzapur. So in this way, my dear children, you can see where India is exactly located. Now, let's see the size of India. India has got 15,200 kilometer land frontier, which starts from here, which goes north side and then east side till the Bay of Bengal. And India has got 7,500 kilometer coastline, which is this peninsula. This peninsula, you can see, this is the coastline of India, which is 7,500 kilometer. Vertically, the stretch of India is 3,214 kilometer, and horizontal stretch of India is 2,933 kilometer. So in this way, by these numbers, latitudinal and longitudinal extent, you will exactly locate India. Area wise, as you know, India is the seventh largest country of the world. So to keep this in your mind, you can see Russia. It is the first country, which is the biggest country of the world, so first largest country. Then Canada, then USA, then China, Brazil, Australia, and India. So for your understanding, if you want to memorize these seven countries by their sequence, I have made one acronym for this. So you can make a story of that, or you can learn it by heart. Just imagine there was one Russian. He was having meeting with one Punjabi doctor who lives in Canada. As you know very well, Canada is so much populated by our Punjabi people. So this Punjabi doctor, he lives in Canada. Then after meeting him, it was decided that the meeting is postponed, and in next date it is going to be taken in USA. So I came to USA. Then in USA, when the meeting was over, I met my Chinese friend. He said, let's go to China and let's have a dinner with each other. So we all together went to China. There he offered me a lizard, which is very, as you know, which we can't eat, which we are not familiar with to eat. But he offered and I could not reject. So I ate it. As I ate it, I, I was not feeling well. So I thought I should play something. So I went to play football. And as you know very well, in Brazil, Brazil is crazy for football. So I went to Brazil and I played football there. When I finished my playing, I was so much perspirated and I thought I should take bath. So where I will get fresh water of the ocean. So I decided that I should go to Australia where I will get fresh water. Then I went to Australia, I got fresh water, and then I thought, let's get back to India and let's have meditation in Himalaya. So I came back to India. So for my understanding and for my memorization, I made this. So by different ways you can make this. So these are seven countries, and India is the seventh largest country of the world. India has got territory of 3.28 square 28 million square kilometer. It is nothing like that. That before oceanic routes there were no routes. It's not like that. As you might have heard about the Silk routes, people used to trade with each other. Countries used to trade with each other by these land routes. So that's why by these land routes, many things we transported to other countries and many things we received from other countries. So here you can see our Ramayana, Panchatantra, Upanishads, numeral and decimal system, spices, Muslim, all these Indian things they reach to the world by these ways only. Same like that, Greek sculpture, architectural style of dome and minarets came to India by these ways only. But still, as you can see, this trans-Indian oceanic route is very important as it stands in middle of Indian Ocean. There might be a wonder in your mind why the name of a country is given to an ocean here. Why this ocean is called Indian Ocean? So if you know the answer of this question, please write to me in my comment box. Now here you can see uh, India and its neighbors. So to the western side of India, you can see Pakistan and Afghanistan. They are our neighbors. To the north side, China, along with Tibet, then Nepal, Bhutan. These countries are northern neighbors. Then, if you come to east side, you will see that Bangladesh and Myanmar, they are our eastern friends, eastern neighbors. If you come to south side of India, these are our island friends, that is Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is divided is separated from India by Palk Strait, and here you can see Maldives, which is completely in the ocean. So these are our neighbors. For again, my understanding, I have made this: A for Afghanistan, P for Pakistan, C for China, N for Nepal, B for Bhutan, then second B for Bangladesh, M for Myanmar, S for Sri Lanka, and M for Maldives. So with these short forms, short letters, you can make acronym and you can learn it by heart. So that's it. The lesson is all about the size and location of India, neighboring countries. So learn this by heart, and I hope you must have understood this lesson. If you want more and more these kind of lessons which I am making, so for my motivation, please comment and subscribe and share these videos with your friends. Thank you so much friends. Have a nice day.